the rest of these white supremacists. Haiti is the first independent black nation in the Western Hemisphere, the first country, first and only country, first and only population in world history that has yet to repeat what Haiti had did back in 1804, which is fight the oppressors, create their own country, enslave population to fight and get their own country. It has never happened before, it has yet to happen, possibly will never happen again. So Haiti been paying for this, paying for their freedom, paying a hefty price for fighting for their freedom and gaining their freedom to this day in 2023. If we don't get up and do something, this will go on for 1,000 years. That's why I wrote the book, America's in Practice, 1,000-Year War Against Haiti. We want to stop this diabolical plan that the Clintons, the Bushes, Obama, George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, rest of all the presidents, FDR, Woodrow Wilson. I don't know how many others I have to name, y'all. But how long will this continue? How long will this injustice continue in the 21st century? How long will it continue? When will they let our people go? When will they stop the foolishness? When will they stop the foolishness? Let my people go. This is King Kevin Dover in the building here in Atlanta, Georgia. You know, Star Park Theater here in Atlanta, just outside of Atlanta, Forest Park, Georgia. And hey, we riding, man. Sunday. People got families, they got jobs, they don't left church. We're here marching, we're here protesting against the injustice. You know, we want to change that farm bill they got going on against Haiti. We also want to change the low import taxes that can be used for the schools, can be used for the churches, can be used for the roads, can be used for the orphanages, can be used for the government security. You know, Haitian ports have no security at the ports. There are no elected officials right now in Haiti, not one. The gangs that's taking over Port-au-Prince, is the capital of Haiti. How long will this continue? How long will it continue, y'all? We are putting our foot down. We want to take the foot off the necks of Haitians. We want to take the foot off the neck of Haitians. Say it again. We want to take the foot off the necks of Haitians. George Floyd, they had, you know what I'm saying, they'll put his neck for what, 3 minutes. They've been doing this in Haiti for over 500 years. They were going for 1,000 years. So we are protesting against the injustice. We're willing to take this march to DC. We are going to stop voting. I don't care if it's Republicans. I don't care if it's Democrats. Yeah, this is King Kevin Dover. I'm saying it. Well, I don't care if you're Republican or Democrat. We are not voting for anybody. Haitians created America. America would not be the size it is if it was not for the victory of the Haitians at the Haitian Revolution. The Louisiana Purchase helped create 15 states for America. 15 states. Wyoming, Colorado, North Dakota, South Dakota, parts of Canada, parts of Texas, a few other states that I'm not mentioning right now, but about 15 of them. Fighting for America during the American independence, the American Revolution against the British. 1779, about 600 Haitians fought for the freedoms of America, to break the chains that the British had against America. Those Haitians fought and lost their lives for what? Nothing. Nothing. Chicago was discovered by a Haitian man, Jean-Baptiste de Sable. Discovered one of the biggest cities in all America, second to only New York City. They refused to give credit to Haitians, whether it was the Haitian soldiers, General Toussaint Louverture, Lieutenant Jean-Jacques Dessalines, King Henry Christophe. They refused to give these gentlemen their credit in the history books. They refused to recognize the great historical contributions Haitians have made towards history, period. Not just in America, not just in Haiti, but world history. One of the greatest revolutions, one of the most unique revolutions in world history. But now Haiti is 200 years behind. Why? Because of the diabolical, the devilish, the demons of the America wanting to hold them back, keep them away from technology, keep them away from education, withdrawing support, putting dictators in position, supporting dictators, supporting these puppet presidents. I'm not gonna say their names, you know who they were. But you read my book, Americans in France, 1,000-Year War Against Haiti. assassination of a nation, you will know, and you know who I'm talking about. This is King Kevin. We are here. There is no justice. We are going to fight for justice. We want justice for Haiti. We want justice for Haiti. We must have justice for Haiti. This will not go on no more. Not under the watch of this generation. No more. We are going to fight. We're not stopping. This is going on to the end. If the Haitians from 1791 to 1804 could fight, the British, the Spain, and America, and France, all at the same time and win, we can do it. They fought for 13 years. We can fight for 13 years. We can fight for 13 years. We need to change that farm bill. We need to lobby up in Washington, D.C., change that farm bill. We need to go ahead and protest, lobby, Capitol Hill, which we are going to do. Matter of fact, July 21st, there's going to be another march, a real march. I'm not saying this is not real, but we're going to take to the Capitol Hill. We're going to lobby at Capitol Hill. We're going to get some signatures. We're going to knock on some doors. In other words, we're going to kick some ass. We need some changes done. All right? Go to KevinDorival.com. That's KevinDorival.com. More information, Instagram at Courage2Believe. That's number 2. Courage, number 2, Believe. YouTube, same thing. King Kevin Dorival. I'm not too hard to find. You can find me. We fighting for what's right. Human rights. We have rights. We are people. Just because we black, mean we ain't got no feelings. We don't suffer. Man, the people are suffering. There's 2 million children suffering in Haiti right now as we speak. 2 million. Thanks to people like Pastor Lords of Touch of Light Ministries. Her information here is on this card. You can call or text her. 404-933-9172. Again, 404-933-9172. You can also get in contact with quite a few other people. Jones Legal Solutions, another sponsor and supporter here in Georgia. 770-852-0433. 770-852-0433. We are here in the building. We are doing our thing. We are supporting our people. We will not give up. We will never give up. I will never give up. I'm here for my people. We're not stopping. We're gonna continue this march. We're gonna continue this protest. We're gonna continue doing this until we can't do it no more. How long do people gotta suffer, man? How long are these people gotta suffer? How long gotta starve, man? Change the farm, but let Haiti feed himself. Haiti got more iridium, one of the most precious minerals in the world. If Haiti could grow its own, could cultivate that, make its own money, it'll be richer than any country in the Caribbean. Enough to challenge America, because not just iridium, which is the most precious metal in the world that they use to make spark plugs. It's heat resistant, so they use it in weapons, missiles, spaceships, because it can go up into the sky and, take the heat from the sun. What else we got? We got oil. Venezuela president, former president, Hugo Chavez, shout out to him. Love Haiti with all his heart and soul. Donated $100 million to Danny Glover for the movie Tucson. He gave $100 million to help sponsor and fund the movie on Tucson. But the movie didn't take place. Why didn't it take place? Because they blackballed Danny Glover and said, because they didn't got no white heroes, they're not going to support it. But that ain't right. But you know what? He could have went and did it anyway. But Hugo Chavez always said, and also they got the airport in Cap-Haïtien. I was there. The airport's named after him. Because Hugo Chavez said that the oil in Haiti, is probably the best oil in all the Caribbean, possibly the world. And guess what? Haiti, the government of Haiti, the country of Haiti is not benefiting not one drop of that oil. They're not benefiting from it. All that money, all that oil, all the iridium, all the gold is going to export it back to the U.S., back to the United States of America, tax-free. All that rice they dumping into Haiti, we need to stop that dumping of the rice. The dumping of the rice, you know what's happening to that dumping of the rice? It's causing the farmers in Haiti not to be able to make money. They take them out of business. And we are putting a stop to that. We are putting a stop to that today. Not just today. This march is going to continue. Like I said, it's going to continue for a while. We're going to keep doing it. We're going to keep doing it. We're going to keep doing it. We're going to keep marching, keep protesting. I'm trying to stay away from the crowd so you guys can hear what I'm saying. But at the same time, I want you guys to think about this. Think about, why don't they include or talk about the Haitian Revolution? Why do they talk about the Haitian Revolution in these school books? or how big a major of influence they had on the world history on the global scale. Why don't they do it? I tell you why. Because they don't want y'all getting motivated. They don't want to give out no real superheroes. The Haitian Revolution started with real superheroes, not just the men, but the women too. Suzanne Belair, that's one. Mama Toussaint was another one. This couple of them, you know what I'm saying, that fought. The Warrior Queens, you know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. Did y'all know Christopher Columbus, the first place he landed in the Caribbean was in Haiti, St. Dominique? He literally annihilated the population. So Haiti been being exploited since 1492, y'all. It's been exploited since 1492. Matter of fact, there's some documents saying that Christopher Columbus, once he found out there was so much gold in Haiti, that he made it his business. He made it his business to send some gold back to Spain, tell them what's going on there, and to get some Africans, enslave the Africans from, you know, the coast of Africa, kidnap them, bring them to the coast of Africa, and drop them off in Haiti and work them to death. Literally work them to death. Starve them, violate them any kind of way you can think and imagine. I don't need to go into that right now. Made them suffer, change their culture, inculcate them, incollated, forced, all types of BS. Yeah, I'm trying to say the word. What am I saying the word wrong? Inculcation, incollated. Y'all help me out there. What's the word I'm looking for? Anyway, they imposed European views. They imposed European concepts, starved them to death, hung them, stuck them in dirt, you know, covered them in dirt, put honey on their faces, let the ants eat them, the sugar ants eat them. They did all of that. For what? Because they knew that if the Haitians were able to stand up and fight back, they take over the island and create their own nation. And guess what? Their worst fears came true. Because the Haitians did that. Our ancestors did that. Well, correction. The enslaved Africans did that. The enslaved Africans did that. And today they are called Haitians because they created their own nation. While the Americans were still enslaved, while those in Jamaica, Bahamas, Trinidad, Tobago, Grenada, all South America was enslaved, Haiti was free. Haiti was free. Anyway, y'all go to my GoFundMe, which is on my website, or go to GoFundMe, Stop the War Against Haiti, find out more information. We look for definitely donate to help support this cause. I'm going out there on the 21st, the DC 21st, but we'll be back next year. Once we get all the organizations, you know, involved, everything covered, the hotels and the rides, we will have it situated. We are going to march on Washington. Not only in Washington, we are going to lobby in Capitol Hill, y'all. We're going to lobby in Capitol Hill. Y'all stay tuned. King Kevin Dover in the building. And love y'all, bless y'all. Let's make something happen, y'all, because it's time for a change. I'm here to represent Courage to Believe International. You already know what we do, the chess programs, my chess shirt. And we also host the Black on Black Crime Solutions panel. I'm also representing Touch of Light Ministries, Pastor Lou, big sponsor of mine and the organization. And there's a few other great people out there doing their thing. Let's not give up on Haiti, y'all. Let's not give up on Haiti. Pull up, man. Y'all see these things, people getting together, they support, they're making it happen. Y'all gotta pull up, man. Stop turning away. Stop turning away. Let my people go. Let my people go. Let my people go.
Officier ambassadeur ou bien en personne, ou bien par vidéo, mais tout officier ambassadeur a représenté dans Watch Center ensemble avec nous. Ok? N'a bien ça va avec le sénateur Marco Rubio Capla. N'a bien ça va avec le sénateur Rick Scott. N'a bien member of the Florida House of Representatives, Donnie Joseph Capla ensemble avec nous. N'a bien Maggie Paul Woodson, member of the US of Representative Capla ensemble avec nous. Tout ça c'est moun, ça c'est poste électif qui là, qui remplit un poste sénateur pour la décision de tout ça au même dans la première soirée. Nous besoin de tout qui l'a fait le déplacement pour ouais nous présents dans zone et le bon message que n'a bail. L'autre monde qui là ensemble avec nous encore, c'est Congresswoman Frederica Wilson. Nous avons Congresswoman Sheila McCormick qui est ensemble avec nous. Nous avons maire ensemble avec nous, Daniela Cava, maire qui est ensemble avec nous. Amen. Nous avons ensemble avec nous, Commissioner Marlène Bastien qui est ensemble avec nous. Nous avons ensemble avec nous, maire Alix Desublé qui est ensemble avec nous. Nous avons ensemble avec nous, vice-maire Marie Estimé Ervin qui est ensemble avec nous. Et puis nous avons ensemble avec nous, former maire André Pierre qui est ensemble avec nous. Tout le monde. C'est état ça là, nous encourageons tout le monde à faire les déplacements pour nous capables de faire l'autre message qui résonne ensemble encore, qui dit que nous-mêmes Haïtiens, nous voulons l'autre Haïti. Haïti! Justice pour Haïti! Justice pour Haïti!
Justice for Haiti.
Justice pour Haïti! Justice for Haiti. Right. Le moment ça voulait introduire Père, qu'a dit que Père, Papa spirituel nous. C'est lui-même qui va conduire nous dans la prière. On nous mettait les mains ensemble pour grand tabernacle de gloire. Révérend pasteur. Moi, je tout le monde qui est dans la salle là, fixe tes regards sur moi. Regardez même. Je vais déclarer cette fois